Everybody said, what are you doing buying that place? Look at it. I actually thought it was super cute. So what we did was we had a foundation issue in the back left corner. I gotta ask, can I try it? Over there. We dug it all out, put new drain tile, had a bricklayer come in. I'd take some, guys, but I gotta play hockey tomorrow. What's funny is I play hockey every day. Okay, fine, I'll take a bag. Look at that. Woohoo. Just give me one.
Take the last two.
Put up a new concrete wall, and then we wrapped it in membrane, and now watch the rest. Wonder if it's gonna fit. Big. Yeah, it's not gonna fit. It's science. See? Normally I don't measure like that with my hands. I use one of these, this nice stick measurement system. Much more accurate.
Where do we want the other mini split? That's the only thing left to do before drywall.
The good thing about mini splits is it's not hard to add them after. We put it right out here. So you put it right here and it blows all through the living room, kitchen, everything else.
Because we weren't doing cabinets there, so we
weren't.
Do that.
Yeah. Courtney is a fantastic project manager. She knows construction, she's organized, she can help decorate, design. She's not for hire. She works with us. We want that all just smoking beautiful. You look at the water, and if the water could see us, what's that cute house?
Yeah, the temporary.
This looks good up here. I'm not big on the headroom here, but if somebody has their master bedroom downstairs and they just need their single, they could just have, this could be an office up here, storage. The window's gonna be bigger up here, eh? In spring, this view is gonna be incredible. Well, it's nice now. Like, I'd move here. Oh, you caught your jeans on a nail. She's ripping her jeans though, as you can see. She should be wearing construction clothes, right? Like, well, let's go. No, I'm not helping. Whoa.
Darker. Matches with darker. Maybe. I can see that.
Sitting here looking out at the water is fantastic. This is amazing. You could put a ton of stuff here. You could have a nice sitting area with a roof. Then you come out here. Like, look, the sun in the middle of the afternoon. I'm looking out at the water. Good job, I love it. I'm like Spider-Man. Cool, bathroom's coming. We have to order the kitchen now soon. And don't excuse my fanciness. I was at a meeting in the city. No, a meeting with the city. Is that a meeting or in the city? I was in the city with the city. Because they usually have meetings in the city. Does that make sense? We've got all the trim. It's looking good. The deck is huge. I love it. Oh, got stairs on, look at that. We're gonna carpet these. I'm gonna put carpet on them. Might put hardwood later, I don't know, but I think it's gonna be carpet. Cool, so it's coming. It's not a super high ceiling, but there's nothing we could do about it. But super cute house on the water. I'd live here. Have you heard me say that before? No. I would. This bedroom, it looks skinny. Ideally, if I was gonna build a house from the ground up, I wouldn't make it this dimension, but I mean, it's a retrofit, so we can only do what we can do. But a bed comes out 6 feet. So the bed comes out to here. So you still have, it's comfortable. You put your bureaus over here, maybe a corner thing. So there's room. TV, if you put a TV in the bedroom. Again, the door's on. No, the fridge goes there.
Did we not order a small one for on top?
I didn't, but we can. Now, you wanted to put a fireplace there.
To do a very thin, like honestly out 3 to 4 inches up this wall.
Starting here over.
Yep.
You don't think, like, is this living room? It's still a good size, right?
I mean, it's definitely smaller, but it's a small little house. This isn't meant to be
Six.
a large family home.
Yeah. So it's 11 feet.
Someone's gonna buy this for the outside, for the water,
Yeah.
for the location. They're not
Yeah,
gonna
you're not having 9 kids
buy
here.
it for a massive house.
Oh, I thought there was room for this,
There's
but
definitely not room for that.
where's my phone?
Does that go with you?
What? Oh, where's the island? Maybe those cabinets are for the island, they're not extra.
That's exactly.
I was gonna take those cabinets with me to another house. This looks really nice, doesn't it?
It does.
Yeah. I like it. Do you do this post and cedar? You probably should, eh?
Yes.
The post and cedar. Get rid of all this crap. Oh, it smells so good. So all this cedar, right straight from the mill, was $700. And way nicer than siding. I think you're right.
Yep.
It's better for our name
Yeah.
to go get the house completely done and then put it for sale, even though we lose 2 weeks. There's so many buyers right now that you could put a house up for sale and it'll sell even before it's finished. But I do agree, especially with this one, get it finished completely. Fine, she's right.
And I think even if we were just missing like one cabinet and everything else was done, clean and complete, I'd say that's fine. We could still list, but I don't, and not in anywhere like this condition whatsoever.
Because we're almost done. The final step of this house is putting in the mini splits. We're finally finished. Can we quickly show a picture of what the house used to look like? Here it is. Here's what the house used to look like. Boom. Here it is now. As big as the front deck is, I love the back. It's an emotional day. We do these houses like with all our hearts, and then you give them away. You just say, hey, it's beautiful, here you go, and I'm never gonna get to go in the house again. I know I always say I'd live here, but this one, I would live in here. Washer and dryer right here, bathroom. I find the brown, I'm not sure I would do it again, but it works here because it's on the water. How do you like the kitchen? It's not huge, big enough. We have our mini splits from Greenfoot Energy Solutions. We do all of Greenfoot Energy Solutions marketing. We do all the videos. That's why, but they are great, great people, great company. Their marketing guy is amazing. That's why, but we do use them for every house. So the master bedroom, if you remember, we put it right here on the main floor. Boom. So it's a longer room, but it's wider than you think. But you could put the bed that way. This way if you want. You could put a corner dresser, closet. Oh, there's 2 bedrooms upstairs, smaller ones. In a lot of these, you don't have a lot of headroom. So we go with the pot lights, which are super nice. They're really convenient. They take up no space. You can get dimmers for them, change them to yellow, whites. There's so many options for these, but they take no headspace. But I'm like 6'1", so if you're a little shorter, it's still fine with me. Oh look, there's like a little stool sample there. It's brown. Let's get out of here. Oh, could you see my knees? It ruined it, eh? Because you could see my knees. It ruined the whole thing. Never mind. I have no idea why I did that. Walk it through. It's so stupid. Oh, well, it's funny though. Like it's clever stuff. You can't just write that.